So I'm Iain Johnson. I'm the Aftermarket Manager for the UK. So any spares or repairs that come into our business in the UK, I'm responsible for. It was 40 years ago this August when my career path started in aviation. I was an apprentice down at a company called Darkham Engineering at Stillington, a local company. I then had 10 years in Nottingham at a company that was called Chevron Aerospace, where I became the team leader and I became the production manager. And then I came back to the northeast to be nearer my family when the kids were young. And I became the manufacturing engineer at what is now CAV Systems, and I'm now the aftermarket manager for CAV Systems now in 2023. Aftermarket is anything that's on an aircraft that needs replaced or repaired. So it is something that, if the aircraft's say 5, 10, 15 years old, we will sell spare parts. They get damaged in flight, there's hail damage, bird strikes. We get operators putting ladders against leading edges, which damages the panels. So anything that's damaged, we can repair. My role entails talking to the customer. So every day, every morning I come in, I have emails from Dubai, from Mexico, from the US, from New Zealand. We sell to all over the world. So every morning, I'm the guy who will quote the parts to the customer and quote the lead times. So this year, the shows I'm going to be at, I was at one in Germany. I'll be going to eBase and also NBA base later in the year, where we have the opportunity to see all our customers in one place. And we also get to look around the aircraft with our TKS system fitted, which is great for an aviation geek. This year we celebrate the first production aircraft of the Hawker 125 flying in 1963. And we also celebrate the 40th anniversary of the 125-800 flying. The main difference is it got a smoother front to it, so the windscreens are now curved instead of flat. The Hawker 125 was in production for 50 years. There's a lot of people worked on it. There's lots of forums about it. You can spend all night talking to people about the Hawker 125. It's interesting. So it's affected a lot of our lives. So when production stopped in 2012, it's interesting to see what people have gone on to do as well. And it's a great industry. It's an interesting industry. And looking at going forward, when you go to the air shows now with the electric and hybrid aircraft, there's some exciting things coming, and I would recommend it to anyone.